If you're choosing between MusicBee and MediaMonkey, this isn't just music player versus music player. It's simplicity versus power user library management. So should you even consider them in 2026? Let's break it down. MusicBee is designed for people who want a modern, polished music player without a steep learning curve. It offers automatic tagging, playlist management, podcast support, and excellent library organization right out of the box. For most music collectors, it strikes a great balance between features and usability. But here's the catch. It isn't built for managing truly massive music libraries. MediaMonkey takes the opposite approach. It's built for serious collectors with tens of thousands of songs, extensive metadata, multiple devices, and complex organization needs. Many long-time users swear by its powerful tagging, syncing, and library management tools. The downside is that the interface can feel more technical and less polished than MusicBee. So should you even consider them? Choose MusicBee if you want the best all-around local music player with minimal setup. Choose MediaMonkey if you have a huge collection and need advanced organization tools. Bottom line, yes, you should absolutely consider them. While most people stream music today, MusicBee and MediaMonkey remain two of the best options for managing local music libraries. For most users, MusicBee is a better choice because it's cleaner, easier to use, and still incredibly capable. But if you have a massive collection that needs serious organization, MediaMonkey still has a strong case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.